Is your iPhone speaker sound too low? Here's how to fix it step by step. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Now scroll down again and tap on Touch. At the very bottom, tap Call Audio Routing and make sure it's set to Automatic. If it's stuck on Bluetooth or headset, your sound won't come through the speakers. Go back, scroll down, and tap on Hearing Devices. Here, make sure hearing aid compatibility is turned off unless you actually use a hearing aid. Next, go back to the main settings screen and tap on Sounds and Haptics. At the bottom, tap on Headphone Safety. If Reduce Loud Sounds is on, turn it off or slide it up to around 90 decibels so your iPhone isn't limiting the volume. Now check the hardware. On the left side of your iPhone, flip the ringer switch forward so you don't see orange. Then, press the volume up button until it's maxed out. Also, swipe down from the top right to open Control Center and drag the volume slider all the way up. If it's still quiet, remove your case and carefully clean the speaker grills at the top and bottom. Dust and lint can block the sound. Finally, restart your iPhone by holding Volume Up plus side button until the power slider appears. Then slide to power off. Turn it back on and test again. And that's it. Your iPhone speakers should sound much louder now. If this helped, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps me keep making quick iPhone tips for you.